This is going back to the 60s. Can't help it, but I love this era. I have no idea. They told me it was about drugs about a month ago. I didn't know that. I've been singing it for years. In the white room with black curtains near the station, black through country, no pavements, tired starling, silver horses, red moonbeams in your dark eyes, dynamite smiles on your leaving, my contentment. I'll wait in this place where the sun never shines. Wait in this place where the shadows run from themselves. You said no strings could secure you at the station. Platform ticket, restless diesels, goodbye window. I walked into such a sad time at the station. As I walked out, felt my own need just beginning. I waited in the queue when the trains come back. Line with you when the shadows run from themselves. Musical break. Drink beer. Drink more beer. I'll sound better. That's right. I'll sound better if you drink a lot.